What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. What we're doing today, we're actually just gonna be doing some oil changes, and also I'm gonna be heading over to my friend's house, maybe do a burnout in the car for a New Year's burnout, which I never got to do because yeah, I was actually out this New Year's. So usually I'm home. This year I decided to go out with my friend because we didn't have anything planned at home. This year kind of just went, it kind of just went by. So it's kind of like, all right, you know, I'm gonna go out this year. I'm not gonna you know, do what I usually do, which is usually a big dinner at my house. So not doing it this year. So what do you call it? So right now we're just doing an oil change on my car because it's past due. It's like 20,000 miles over. And listen, if you guys, let me know how you guys feel about my hair. I'm just getting questions, like I'm asking other people just out of curiosity, because I hate my hair. I'll be honest, I love my hair. I love my hair, but I also hate my hair. It's a love-hate relationship. Like, sometimes I feel like it's good, sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's okay. You know, oh cool, we got an empty container here. But I don't know, I just don't know how I feel about my own hair. Like, it's not even like I care, it's like, well, I do care, but it's like, I don't know how I feel about my own hair in a way, you know, whatever it is, you know. But it's like, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. You know, I got, this time around, well, now that I'm single and stuff, I'm definitely just trying to keep my hair maintained and not let it be a wild ass mess and stuff. So, trying to keep that under contained. But, yeah, let me get in here, let me get the new ramps, and we'll get out here and do the oil change and stuff. Where are my keys? There they are. All right. Make sure it's shut. All right, let's get the blueberry started up there. Let her warm up. She's getting an oil change, and then we gotta get her started up so we can reverse her back so we get the oil change done right here. I'm gonna come back a hair, but that looks pretty good so far. So definitely not tall enough, but so these things are definitely not tall enough. It's actually very not tall enough, but it works. It's gonna get what we need to get to, but I think we're gonna get definitely some taller ones for the next oil change. It looks a lot bigger in the description. All right, and this is why I love AMSOIL. This oil is 20,000 miles. That oil, like I said, it's dirty, but I feel like I've changed 20,000 oil dollars. Oh, $20,000. I wish I had $20,000. But like, that's still pretty clean oil. Like, I can still see my fingernail through that, and that's like perfectly clean oil. Like I said, this is over 20,000 miles of oil we use. So make sure it's not pouring all over the place. So that's why I love AMSOIL. Their oil really is pretty good. It's a little expensive, but if you guys can't afford it, I definitely recommend getting it, because like I said, this is 20,000 miles, and I think most, I don't know, in the experience I've had with 20,000 oil changes, this is clean. This is like really, really good. All right, so as soon as I get out of my whole kaboobel and find a new job and shit, I'm definitely gonna be organizing my tools, because I just cannot find my tools. But I gotta get my oil filter off down here. Sadly, they put it sideways. All right. So sadly, they put the damn thing sideways, so it just pours out everywhere. But let's take a look at this. All right, leave that there for a minute. Clean off my hands because they're just all oiled up now. I'd rather put some oil on your O-ring right here. it just helps make sure it seals. And usually you do put oil inside here, but I'm going in sideways, so oil is only gonna pour out if I put it in here. So before we start the car up, we're gonna prime the engine, get oil put into here before we crank it, well before we turn it on. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but we just get this all oiled up here, and let's shove it on. And I did spray it brake clean because I didn't take. Usually I take off that bottom plate, but like I said, all my sockets are missing right now because long 2, 3, 4, 6 months, long 6 months. So all the tools are just everywhere. But but yeah, so we're gonna put oil in here, prime the engine, check the oil, and go from there. Oh, yeah, she black. She black. I usually don't do 20,000 intervals for my car, this car especially. This is the first time I've ever done that on this car. It's life's been so damn busy the past. My paper towel blew away. It blew away, damn it. Life's just been busy for the past 6 months, and honestly, it's just so much. So much has been happening. So much has just been non-stop. So I just haven't had time to, you know, stop and take care of my own shit. I've been taking care of everyone else's shit. So that's what it is, you know. But now I'm trying to take care of myself more now. So I still gotta do a video on that because there's a sponsor item there, which I'll probably do a video today, honestly, on it. But for right now, we're gonna be heading out and what do you call it? Going to go do a nice New Year's burnout with my friend, hopefully. So let's see what happens. So that's almost basically exactly 6 quarts right there I put in. So oil lid right there. All right. Now I'm going to show you guys how I prime up the car before I crank it up for an oil change. After doing an oil change. Oh god, I'm so sore from the gym. Down the window. Clean. Okay. All right. So come on in the car. Don't mind the dirty car. Getting it cleaned out soon. Like I said, this is not how my car ever is. Pause the music so I can think. All right. So what you gotta do? You gotta hold that gas pedal all the way down to the floor, kind of like you're about to like totally blow the engine up, and basically just. Do I not have the keys? Oh, I do have the keys. All right. Oh. I'm so stupid. You gotta hit the brake and hit this. And then you hold the brake, if you hold the gas pedal down, just let it just crank it up, crank it up. I just do this a few times. Alright. Battery started dying actually on that one, which means I'm not getting a new battery soon. I don't know if you heard that. It was like, I was like, uh-oh. That means I gotta get a new battery soon, most likely. You know what? It's been about 4 years I had this battery, so it's not surprising, to be honest with you. Alright, so I'm gonna let this warm up. I'm actually gonna back the whole car down to the ground so that it's level, and then check the oil level, see if it's full, a little full, if it's empty, or if it's overfilled. If it's slightly overfilled, I don't really care. If it's slightly under, I'll just top it off. I got a little bit of oil left in the 6 quarts, so let's get this thing off. Alright, so check the oil. First level doesn't matter, so I'll wipe that right off. Who cares? Put it in, pull it out, and needs about 1/4 quart. And right now I'm just actually not gonna run it. I'm just gonna check it because the oil filter is mainly filled up right now, so we don't really worry about it too much. Just a little bit more. I didn't have to do that time. Alright, perfect. And we are in good shape now. Alright, so guys, we're in the car. We got Miss Waddy's back here. I see she's back there. I gotta get the windows back open soon so she can have some air, because it's gonna start getting hot in here soon. But yeah, so I'm bringing Michelle with me. I'm gonna be going to my mom's house for dinner. We're gonna try to do that burnout. And then probably gonna have to, I don't know, I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym or not, but I'm gonna have a friend to sit there and hold up and, like, you know, at least, you know, make a fun, entertaining part of the gym. You know, so I don't have a tripod. I'm not gonna set a tripod in the gym. I'm not at that point in life where I want to sit there and show myself, record myself at a gym. So so we're just gonna head over to my mom's. Actually, I don't know where I'm headed to now. I might go to my grandparents' house maybe for a minute, and then I got some time to waste. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll do the gym now. Maybe I'll drop my dog off at my mom's house now, go to the gym, and then go meet my friend, do the burnout shit, hang out with him for a few, and then go to dinner, and then we can also just go to, what do you call it? And then we go home. We go home. Go home. Thank for the kissies. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm just kind of just chilling out today. It's kind of like I got done with didn't have work today, so we got work tomorrow and the next day. So that's why we're not going to the front seat. We're not going to the front seat, but go with the window open, open the window, and you can have the window. Okay, baby girl? So I also decided to do this burnout because I'm getting new tires for the car, so I really don't care how much I burn up these tires. The front tires are almost completely gone. Like, you see some tread, so like the rope inside the tire, so they gotta go. I should have picked them up. I just drove past the place. Well, I don't have the truck anyways, but whatever it is. So we're just gonna burn up the back tires out, had a little bit of fun, change the oil, so there's plenty of oil life now. Engine's not gonna be running. Like, I don't want, you know, her harming the engine anyway from oil starvation, or as you know, I mean, like, lubrication wise. Yeah, just mentally, it just makes me feel better. It makes me feel better. It makes me feel better that the car has fresh oil in it, and it's gonna do a nice big burnout for its introductory to its new oil. So yeah. So by the time I did 20,000 miles on that oil, I'm probably gonna do an oil change at 3,000 to 5,000 miles on it. I'll try to at least. That's my goal. 5,000 usually. 5,000 miles usually my oil change interval usually I do. So usually I do 2 to 5 oil changes a year usually. Last year I had only 1, so it shows how much I did last year.